All right, time to take a look at the 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. It's pretty cool. It's got a little carrying pouch. And there it is. So you can see on the front we got a USB-C port in and we got a USB-A port out. We also have this USB-C port on the side. And that folds in nicely, which is great because I like being able to keep all my cords and everything organized. And with power banks that come with a cord that you have to plug in, I'm always losing those. So having this all as one piece is really very nice. And then we also have our Apple charger. And it looks like we got one on the back that I didn't know about. So that is a micro USB. So if you got an old school phone, this will even work with that. And the one thing that I really like about this is it actually has this AC adapter. So instead of having to find a USB-C cord and then finding an AC adapter and plugging this all together in one chain, you can just plug this directly into a wall. That is fantastic. I wish every single power bank was like that. It folds up nicely, so if you want to put it in your bag, you don't have to worry about it stabbing anything else that's in your bag. So I do like that. And we got our power button. We can see we got 3 bars. And if I plug my phone in, we are charging. And it's worth keeping in mind that I was able to plug that in with the case. These plugs aren't so thick that I actually have a problem fitting that in. So that's good. Oh, that's interesting. So it actually lights up green to let us know that one of these ports is occupied. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that is a fantastic power bank. That's got literally everything that I look for. That is awesome.